Hello friends, let's unbox and review of a power bank for LED emergency light. You can see this is an 24 energy product. Here 21 bright SMD LED is provided. Then a free USB cable also given with this. So without talking much more, let's unbox it and show you what inside the box or box content. Okay. First of all, you can see it is an USB cable, that free USB cable provided with this product. This has 2 points for charging purposes. This is an point charging port and this is an USB 2.0 port provided with this. Then then look inside what else are provided. Yes, this is an harness for your power bank. You can use it as a notch for your power bank. Then let's unbox the power bank itself. It's a blue color variant. You can see this is a blue color variant. Here is 21 SMD LEDs in a row, 7, and in column there is 3, so all total 21 SMD LED is provided with this. Then in this side you can see 5-volt output port, and this is a charging indicator LED. Then this is the input 5-volt port for your charging purposes. For charging this device you can use that input. Then let's check the brightness of the LED. Press twice to get brightest light from these LEDs. Now let's switch off all lights and check. Let's check. You can see how much bright is this light. It's a very good light. You can use it as your background light in your YouTube videos. You can see how much bright it is. Now lights on. Now let's check how to use it as a power bank. For that you have to connect it to its output port and you have to connect it to your mobile, that charging. Now let's attach the harness. Attach the harness with your power bank. As you can see, it is very good to hold. For charging purposes, you can charge it from your own mobile charger and give it a supply of 5 volt in this out input port of the power bank. Okay, you can see. Now let's check. Yeah, you can see that charging indicator is glowing, so it's charging now. When it's charging, you can use it as a LED light as well as a power bank. Thanks for watching friend. Links for similar products you can get in the description below. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and give thumbs up if you like this video, and do share with your friends.